Hi everyone, this is Eric with howtosleepbetternaturally.com with a new video for you. This video will tell you about 4 sleep hacks that will help you fall asleep tonight. Number 1, stay away from lights. Stay away from lights including TV, computer, and mobile devices for at least 1 hour before bed. Artificial light at night is confusing for your body since we evolved to take our cues from the sun, and extra light will keep us awake. Try giving your eyes some downtime and you will find you're ready for bed before you know it. Number 2, cool off your surrounding. Your body receives messages from your brain telling it to cool down as a part of it getting tired. Help it out by cracking open a window, turning on a fan, or removing a layer of clothing. Number 3, promote relaxation. Take up a task that promotes relaxation and avoid the last minute computer usage and snacking. Reading, meditating, and progressive muscle relaxation are all fantastic ways to take your mind off of wakeful topics and can be done anywhere. Click in the description below for a great relaxation link. And by the way, make sure you subscribe and like this video. We're trying to get this video to 4 likes. Number 4, binaural beats. Listen to binaural beats, which are sound waves that put your brain into a meditative state of mind quickly, relaxing the listener and often inducing sleep. There are a number of apps available for both the Android and iOS, which makes them particularly useful for travelers. See the link in the description box below for a free sample of binaural beats. If you take advantage of the 4 sleep hacks listed here, you will greatly improve your fall asleep potential. Click in the description below for a great resource. Thanks for watching. Make sure you share the video with someone else who you think needs it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and comment below. Share any questions you have about the video in the comments below. And get your free natural sleeping guide at howtosleepbetternaturally.com. Make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and click the notification bell so you don't miss out.